12-year-old Evan Hill from Christchurch, New Zealand had a physical appearance which made him the victim of taunting and teasing. You see, Evan was born with two incredibly large front teeth. His orthodontist said it was the worst case he has seen in 25 years. Kids at school mocked him, calling him Rabbit Kid because of his buck teeth. His mother, Barbara, hated to see her son in so much pain. Evan's teeth would cost $12,000 to repair. The Hill family suffered a devastating earthquake which impacted their home, so they were unable to afford the expense. Evan decided to share his story by making an appearance on a current affairs show based in New Zealand, explaining the bullying he and his family suffered. The Hill family never expected their son, Evan Hill was 12, to be called Rabbit Kid by his friends. The youngster from Christchurch, New Zealand, was born with large buck teeth and an overbite so severe it hindered him from speaking or closing his mouth properly. Evan was the brunt of cruel jokes at school, despite his friendly personality. Orthodontist Rob Sluiter described Evan's buck teeth as one of the worst cases he had seen in 25 years. The upper jaw is supposed to sit at a 2-degree tilt, Evan's was on a 12-degree angle. Also, there was a 2-centimeter gap between his top and bottom teeth. The buck teeth would cost upwards of $12,000 to fix, and Evan's family were experiencing financial difficulty. A costly earthquake impacted Evan's home, and his family lost the car which brought Evan to his dental appointments. In New Zealand, basic dental treatment is free to patients under the age of 18. However, since Evan required more advanced dental work, he was not eligible. Barbara, his mother, explains that her family considered re-mortgaging their house to afford his dental costs. But before they lost all hope, Evan appeared on Campbell Live, a news show in New Zealand. Once his story was shared, his life changed instantly. The response was overwhelming. People from Evan's community and all across New Zealand responded to Evan's TV segment with selfless donations. It wasn't long before $100,000 had been raised. Barbara was stunned by the generosity of strangers, which allowed Evan to finally get the treatment he so desperately needed. Some of the funds were used to buy a car for the Hill family, with any remaining donations going in a trust for other kids that require dental work which their families cannot afford. After 5 years of extensive dental work, Evan's braces were finally taken off.